The internet is winner-take-all. A tiny fraction of websites get most of the traffic. A handful of people get most of the followers. This pattern, called a scale-free network, shows up almost everywhere we look. But when we mapped philosophy's idea network, we found something that breaks every rule. This is the story of the egalitarian network. In the 1990s, network scientists Albert Laszlo Barabasi and Rika Albert discovered that most real-world networks follow a power law. A few nodes, called hubs, attract the vast majority of connections. The Internet, Facebook, Twitter, citation networks, and even protein interactions all follow this scale-free pattern. The mathematical signature is a power law exponent, called alpha, that falls between 2 and 3. But what would happen if we built a network from philosophical ideas? We analyzed the drift, a dataset of 8,920 philosophical journeys, visiting 28,170 conceptual stations, from consciousness to causation, from ethics to aesthetics. Each journey traces a path through ideas. We built a network where every concept is a node, and every consecutive pair of ideas in a journey creates an edge. Then we asked, is this network scale-free? We expected to find the same pattern as everything else. An alpha between 2 and 3. An R² above 90%. A few dominant hubs controlling the network. Instead, we found alpha equals 1.20, and an R² of just 0.382. The power law model doesn't fit. This network plays by completely different rules. What does alpha equals 1.2 actually mean? In scale-free networks with alpha near 2.5, the top 1% of nodes capture more than half of all connections. The rich get richer. But with alpha at 1.2, the distribution is much flatter. Mid-size concepts flourish. The R² of 0.382 tells us something even more striking. The power law model is simply the wrong framework. This network has a fundamentally different structure. To measure inequality directly, we calculated the Gini coefficient, the same metric used to measure income inequality between countries. A Gini of 0 means perfect equality. A Gini of 1 means a single node has everything. The United States income Gini is around 0.39. Wealth inequality is around 0.85. The World Wide Web's link distribution is around 0.72. Philosophy's concept network, 0.285. More equal than US income inequality. Why is philosophy's network so different? 4 reasons stand out. First, there's no preferential attachment. The internet rewards popularity. Popular pages get more links. But philosophy rewards relevance. Any idea can connect to any other idea, regardless of how often it's been visited before. Second, ideas don't run out of capacity. Third, curiosity drives the navigation. Philosophers follow questions, not optimization. And fourth, 60% of connections cross domain boundaries. No single domain can monopolize the network.